Welcome back. Another terrorist in 26/11 attack in Mumbai arrested. Abu Hamza alias Riyasat Ali, one of the 6 Pakistan-based handlers who directed terrorists during 26/11, has been arrested. Special Cell of Delhi Police arrested Abu Hamza at IGI Airport in Delhi on Monday. He has been remanded to police custody till 5th July by the Tiz Hazari Metropolitan Magistrate.
Abu Hamza is accused of playing key role in 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. He is the close associate of convicted terrorist Ajmal Kasab. Abu Hamza is one of the 6 Pakistani-based handlers who directed terrorists during 26/11 in Mumbai. He helped terror operatives identify targets. Hamza passed on vital informations and instructions from Pakistan to 26/11 terrorists. A non-bailable warrant was issued against Hamza on 2nd June. Hamza is alleged of having links to Indian Mujahideen and Lashkar-e-Toiba. Abu Hamza is also a key suspect in Pune German bakery blast in 2010. Tiz Hazari Metropolitan Magistrate has remanded Hamza to a police custody till July 5th. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
A German national who is a lover of Goa has written a letter to the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar asking cleanup of Goa's drug and rave parties. He has narrated a story of Goa as drug haven in the world. Indo-German Friendship Society, which released the letter to the press, said the concerns raised were in tune with their members, several of whom are Goans settled in Germany and Germans who travel to Goa regularly. Here is a report.
The German who has received support from the Indo-German Friendship Society narrated a tale of hallucinogenic ecstasy of monotone, penetrant, nerve-wracking and horrific trance parties which, while attracting hordes of tourists, is a nuisance to the locals and peace and quiet-loving tourists. The German whistleblower, who has requested anonymity in his letter to Manohar Parrikar, says, drugs are openly pushed on roads, beaches, in front of drug rave spots, and the men in khaki are turning a blind eye and a deaf ear. Many are involved in drug rave parties, earning a slice of the big cake. The hobnobbing of policemen with drug dealers has come to an end. He has even spelled out names of people and restaurants and beachfront establishments, especially those owned by local politicians and connected people, as well as North Indians who sell drugs. He further states, drug trafficking and drug rave parties give Anjuna Beach a bad reputation as the best drug spot in all Goa, spread worldwide in international travel magazines and via social networks. He also mentioned that none of the local or tourists have the courage to complain as they fear reprisal from the authorities as well as the community there. Germany-based Aurobindo Xavier and the convener of the society says, German ladies are increasingly being molested on beaches by domestic tourists. It happens quite often that German ladies are even touched by Indian men and asked to pose for a picture hand in hand. Trafficking and the consuming of drugs, especially in North Goa, is a serious matter. Do we want Germans to come down to Goa to consume drugs? Is this the priority for tourist attraction? The CM's office has meanwhile confirmed the receipt of the letter and said that Parrikar was aware of the content and giving his thought to it. Aurobindo Xavier said that the letter to the CM perfectly speaks for not only German Goa lovers but Goans themselves. The letter warns that if the present scenario continues, the contaminated scene in Goa was beginning to drive foreign tourists to neighboring states. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The 13th Biennial Conference of the International Society for the Study of Work and Organization Values has begun in Goa from Monday. The theme for the ISSWOV conference is related to change and stability of work values in the global context. The conference will go on till 27 June at International Centre in Donapal.
This is the 25th year of ISWO and we are very happy to celebrate 25 years in Goa, India. We also encourage scholars to exchange ideas and interact and publish research on organizational values and more generally on the topic of organizational effectiveness. As I said, we organize conferences every 2 years. In addition, very often the papers that are presented at this conference are selected for publication in select journals.
I am happy that the Department of Management Studies of the Goa University has taken up the study of work and organizational values in the changing global context as an area of study. I hope the department will follow up on the findings of this conference and find ways to impact our educational system and bring about the necessary changes in Goa's work values.
The conference will have a panel discussion on Tuesday at 2 p.m. onwards on industries. The main question for the panel discussion would be, what does the industry want to know? A video journalist Project Pendekar for Prudent Media.
Goa government is yet to file affidavit in connection with appointment of 12 candidates from the waiting list prepared in 2011 in Transport Department for the post of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspectors in March 2012. The candidates were selected without advertising the post in local dailies. 3 candidates had filed 2 petitions in the High Court for illegal appointment of 12 candidates for the post of AMVIs.
Government had recruited 29 candidates by advertising only 14 posts of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspectors in December 2010. BJP-led government is yet to file its affidavit in connection with alleged illegal recruitment in Transport Department for the post of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspectors in March 2012. Chief Minister had asked the Anti-Corruption Bureau to investigate the matter. High Court has kept the matter for hearing on 27 June. Bench comprising of Justice Avinash Lavande and Utkarsh Bakre are hearing the case. 3 candidates had filed 2 petitions in the High Court for illegal appointment of 12 candidates for the post of AMVIs. Interestingly, the Transport Minister during the previous government and the present BJP-led government is the same. Our reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.